Meaning of indicate.
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 Indicate. The word indicate means to point out, suggest, or show something. It can be used to refer to verbal or non-verbal cues that signal meaning or intention. Indications can come in many forms, such as facial expressions, body language, words, or symbols. They help to convey information and provide a way for individuals to communicate effectively with each other. Whether intentional or unintentional, indications play an important role in social interactions, allowing people to navigate their environment and make sense of the world around them.